Welcome to my channel. Optimizing a used engine's performance post-install. 1. Check all fluids. Oil, coolant, and transmission. Fill to proper levels and inspect for leaks. Nothing runs well on low fluids. 2. Tighten all bolts and connections. Go over the engine mounts, intake bolts, and accessory brackets. Loose hardware kills performance and makes noise. 3. Inspect air intake. Make sure the air filter is clean and all ducts are sealed. A leaky intake or clogged filter steals power. 4. Verify fuel pressure. Check the fuel pump and regulator. Weak pressure can make the engine stumble or feel sluggish. 5. Check spark plugs and wires. Old plugs or frayed wires reduce power and efficiency. Replace or tighten them before pushing the engine hard. 6. Adjust timing if needed. Some engines lose timing after removal. Confirm spark timing is correct to avoid pinging or rough running. 7. Inspect vacuum lines. Cracked or disconnected vacuum lines causes idle problems and poor throttle response. Replace or reconnect any that are damaged. 8. Run the engine at varied RPMs. Don't just idle it. Rev gently, let it warm up, and listen for strange noises. This wakes everything up and spots weak points. 9. Monitor engine codes. Scan for any codes after the first few runs. Often, the ECU picks up minor sensor issues that need fixing. 10. Take a short test drive. Drive the car gently at first, then gradually push it. Listen, feel, and pay attention to heat, power delivery, and throttle response. Thanks for watching.